Hi there, welcome back to my channel. So this is Daman here from daman-parhat.com. So welcome to Lancy app review. So in the Lancy, okay, so basically the Lancy app, which is very incredible app. So what it does, it crack the ClickBank algorithm code, okay. So and then it will just give you the passive income day by day. So how this Lancy app work? Basically, it works in the three steps, okay. So in the step number one, it find for you the best selling product, okay. So you have to do just only your settings in the beginning. It find the good product for you to sell. Then the second thing, it create itself the powerful post, okay, and then that powerful post having your affiliate link inside, so it embed your affiliate link into the powerful post, okay. Then in the step number three, and then it syndicate that powerful post which you have your affiliate link inside to the multiple platform, okay. So if you're interested to know more about the Lancy app, then just stick with me, because in this video I will going to give you the showing you the demo members area, and plus I'll show you the my bonuses which I'm giving you completely free when you will pick the Lancy app by my link, which is given below in this video training. And the one more thing, if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for my channels, okay. And then now let's go. So now, as you can see here, right now I'm inside the members area of the Lancy app. Okay, so this is your dashboard here. It will look like this. Okay, and in the one side there is a dashboard. Okay, and there is a your site. This is your sites which you have just created it. Okay, so just then stick with me, because I'm going to show you the complete demo that how you will be creating your sites. Okay, so to create your sites, you have to be go here and to click here to create your site. Then again in the next there is a tutorial. All the tutorial is given here, that how clickbank overview, how to create the clickbank account. If you're, let's say, beginner and you don't know how to create the clickbank accounts, then don't worry, the Lancy is here to help you. Okay, then how to create the subdomain on Lancy and finding the domain names that match the clickbank niches. Okay, and how to customize site appearance on Lancy, and how to search product, and plus the selecting the suitable product for you, and understanding the numbers in ClickBank, and how to choose and add feeds and post. Okay, so basically as you can see here, and this is the again how to search the product that actually sell, and adding the promotional banner on your site appearance, and finding RSS feed URL outside the Lancy, and how to manually add feeds in URL. So these are all the trainings, all the tutorial which I have given here in the members area, okay, just to help you to set up your Lancy app in the beginning. And then this is the bonuses support, and this is the Lancy app webinar here, okay. And here is a done for you package which they have given, which I will showing you in my members area. In my bonus page, I'll explain you more about the done for you package, and here if you want to upgrade your membership, okay. So now this was basically the members area of the Lancy app. Now let's go and see first the demo video about the how the Lancy app is working, okay. And then after that I will be showing you my bonus page.
Hi, this is Tommy Bacardi, and welcome to the demo video of our new software called Lancy app. So what is the Lancy app? In a nutshell, Lancy app is a software that enables users to instantly find the best-selling ClickBank product in real time, and then promote, syndicate, and profit just three simple steps. Step 1, software find out the best-selling product in any niche in real time by just entering a keyword. Step 2, Lancy find the content to match, create target and helpful posts, and embed user affiliate links. Step 3, syndicate targeted content across multiple platforms and drive a lot of traffic for you. Let's go ahead and see how the Lancy app works. You can see I'm in the dashboard of Lancy app. I already logged in with my user ID. Here the first thing you have to do is you have to select your subdomain. Let's go ahead and select our supplement is Demo LS. I will start my website and an affiliate marketing niche. I decide the site title is affiliate marketing tip. If you have to put your ClickBank idea is LS 101. If you don't know how to create a ClickBank idea, you can create one. I have added a tutorial for you over here. Here you can select your niche. I'm going to choose e-business and e-marketing. Click here on e-business and e-marketing. Click on generate my site. Now you can see my site is already created. It will take some time, a few minutes to set up the subdomain and activate everything. You already create your site demo.lensiapp.com. You can go ahead and edit your site as you want. Simply click on the dashboard, choose the subdomain demo LS, and then click on the appearance. In there, you can choose the site layout. You can customize the feel and the look of your website. Let's move to the product research function. Here, I'm in the dashboard. Go to my site that I create with the subdomain demo LS. Let's go ahead and start with the product research. Click on the product research. Step 1, here you have to put your keyword. So I'm gonna put affiliate marketing in my keyword. I will click on search. Now software will give me every single product that's available on ClickBank with the details. So like how much commission you can make, what is the average dollar per sale, average review, and all that stuff. What is the credibility, every single thing the software gives, and you can decide which one to promote. Let's go ahead and promote this product. Step number 2, enter your keyword in the post research. We're gonna put the affiliate marketing, and we have to now search on for field. On the search post field, now you can see here many articles let you read your keyword. Let's go here and edit this one. Click on edit and post. Here you can see the short lead post over here. We will just go and click on the save and publish, and post is added successfully. You can scroll up, click on the review on the top right corner to see how the post look like. Or you can go here again in the dashboard, click on my site, click on the subdomain demo outlet, click on post. Click on URL. Here you can see how the post look like. You can check your page now. When you click and your page is ready, it will look like this, how your ClickBank website will look like. Whenever someone click on any of the posts, you can see here the banner image button. This promote relevant product, and banner image button is embedded with your affiliate link. When someone click on this button and purchase product, you will get commission. So this is how the Lensi app works. That is awesome, right? But we're not done yet. Your create content can be syndicated across 50 high traffic platforms. When you combine this traffic with more product promote and more promotion content, there is only one outcome, commission for you. Here how it works. Go to my site, go to subdomain name, and here's my demo Alex. Click on post. Here you will see all posts I create. You can click on any arrow under the URL that open specific URL link for the post create. Let's pick the first post. Click on view under the syndication. It will pop up the different traffic platform that you can choose to share your post. That is how to get the free target traffic from 50 platforms. That means more target traffic flowing and more completion for you. What do you think of automation? What I mean by that is user can set the keyword, enable the Lensi system to check the relay post and content according to set schedule, and then create user embed link and post. Everything is automated, done for you, set and forget it. Here's how it works. Go to my site. Under the my subdomain name is demo Alex. There is the tab called automation. Click on that. I already scheduled some keyword I like to have then system automatically. They also work for me. You can click on create new automation there on the top pop-up to let you enter in the keyword, choose the number of posts and time. Let you the keyword affiliate marketing number post as the time range in once a day, and click on create. Here the Lensi system will check the keyword affiliate marketing targeting for relay posts and content according to my schedule. It's once a day for 2 posts. That also embed my affiliate link inside of each post. All is automated by Lancy and you don't have to touch anything. All you need to do is sit back and enjoy with your automated commission come in. That's it for now. I hope you can see how big the Lancy app can make the commission for you on autopilot. Thanks for watching.
So as you have seen the demo video, I have shown you the members area about the Lancy app, and you have seen in the demo that how the Lancy app is simply work in the 3 steps. Okay, so now I will show you my bonus page. Okay, and I'll show you the more about the Lancy. And so this at the Lancy is a breakthrough artificial intelligence system that cracked the ClickBank code, auto printing, $417 plus every day. And this Lancy is only app that has cracked the ClickBank algorithm to generate passive income day in and day out. In just 3 steps, the software builds ClickBank affiliate pages and send the target traffic to them using syndication. This means affiliate sales on the complete autopilot. This pulls in passive ClickBank affiliate commission. This is no ordinary traffic. It's hard and ready to buy traffic. This because it's super target for any niche. Just type any keywords in the app and you will find the right content that buyers are actively seeking. Lancy is an app like no others. It's a laser target way to get buy traffic straight to your page. And this is the prices and upsell, but I will come back these two. First I want to show you my bonuses, and the bonuses which I'm offering completely free, those are picking this Lancy by my link which is given below in this video training. So again, the Lancy, this is the bonus number one which I'm giving you completely free. This is the access the insurgency. This is only in the first 48 hours. This is the softwares and training course. Okay, and this is only available in 48 hours. Bonus number two, and how to make an app in less than 25 minutes. Okay, and then the bonus number three, giving you completely free, learn how to get better conversion. And bonus number four, this is the continuum, access the continuum done for you. This is again the app and the software and the video training course. Okay, and the bonus number five, this is the special bonuses. Okay, special vendor bonuses. Again, this was my bonuses. Giving you completely free. Those are picking Lancy by my link which is given below. Again, let's go to the sales page and see the sales page. Okay, so here is the sales page of Okay, here is the sales page for the Lancy, and they said the Lancy, this is completely newbie friendly, and this is 100% automated affiliate marketing system. And Lancy has break through the artificial intelligence system that cracked the ClickBank code and auto printing $417 plus every day. And this works in any niche, cloud based, and drives high quality target buyer traffic. Siphon 100% free traffic from Google, 3-click setup, runs on autopilot. There is a massive potential, starts earning as early as today, and there is almost 365 days money back guarantee, 100% money back guarantee. And if you didn't get results, then you will get paid $200, right? And then the plus free 100 buyers will get the free gift. Okay, get the diamond and Lancy suit, which is almost worth is for 2,500, and which is completely 100% free. So again, if you are interested, you can just click here to get the instant access now. So again, scrolling down, as I have shown you this one, this Lancy app is basically work in 3 way. First, it will find the powerful product, and then you will enter the keyword, then it will create the post for you. With that post is having your affiliate links is already embedded, and then plus it will just automate that post into the multi platform, and then this way you will get the result. And then this is a sales page. Here you will see some testimonial is given here, and the income proof is also given, right? So again, anytime you can just click here to get the access now. And here are the creator for Lancy app. Here you can see here edit, a good friend of mine, Mark Ray, Tommy and Fergal Downs. Okay, so this is the sales page, and they're just explaining you here more about the Lancy app. They have, so this is the 5 bonuses. Okay, the bonus number 1. This is the vendor bonuses. Okay, 1K a day live workshop. Okay, so you will get a VIP ticket to our private live only masterclass, and this is the value is for almost 2000, but you're getting free. And bonus number 2, 60 seconds commission secrets you will get for almost $1000, but again you're getting free. And then the bonus number 3, ClickBank marketing secret. Okay, and this is value almost $500, but you're getting free. And bonus number 4, Lancy commercial license. Okay, for almost $1500, but you will getting free. And 1 year, sorry, $1 million a year system. Okay, so this insider guide show you how they have generated almost $1 million online, and how they plan to scale it almost 20 millions per year. Okay, so this is you're getting almost value for $2000, but you're getting free. And plus the first 100 customer who buy Lancy, they will get one special gift. Okay, so that gift is almost value 2500, but they are just getting free there. That gift is diamond Lancy suit. Diamond Lenses suit it will give you faster and quicker results, more buyer traffic, passive sales on autopilots. Okay, then you will later on say the thank you. And on top of, you will be having a money back guarantee 100% for almost 365 days. Okay, which is great. Again, if you're interested, you can just click here to get the instant access for Lency. Okay, so now let's go and see what is the before final recap. I want to show you the prices and upsells of Lancy. Okay, so the front end price for Lancy is $17. Okay, so in $17 you will get all the powerful Lancy software and training module, and plus you will get the vendor bonuses, and plus the first 100 customer will get the special bonus, which is diamond Lancy app, and then you will get my bonuses. Okay, and again this is the upsells. OTO one is for Lancy unlimited for $47, but you will get for $37. And then the it covers this all the features. And OTO 2 is for Lancy automated done for you bundle for 97, but you will get for $47, right? And upsell number 3, Lancy maximize profit for 67, but you're getting for $37 only. And the upsell number 4, Lancy limitless traffic for $97, but you will get $47. Okay, and upsell 5, Lancy agency license for 197, but you're getting for $97 only. Again, all the details have just given here. Just you can just stop the video and just read everything the inside. So again, here is the demo video. I have a link is included. I will leave the link for the demo video below in my description. If you want to watch it again, you can just go ahead and watch again. And again, yeah, anytime if you're interested, you can just click here to secure your copy and your bonuses. Again, this video and this link I have given below in my description. Okay, so where you can click here and you will get the instant access. Again, these are my bonuses. Okay, so now going back to see the final recap, which you're getting everything. So you're getting in Lancy 100% fresh new Lancy software, step-by-step video training, 24/7 support, and these are the 5 action taker bonuses. Okay, and plus special gift you will be getting. And then you're getting like I'm giving you the for my custom made extra bonuses, which is completely free when you will pick the Lancy app by my link, which is given below. And again, this is the passive training, traffic starting today, peace of mind, get results and get paid, and you will be getting 365 days money back guarantee. Total everything is for $19,497, but today you're getting just everything only $17. Okay, this is just the price of one pizza. If you're really serious to start to make a money online, then this is the good start for you. Okay, so again, you can just click here to get the instant access and grab the access. Okay, and this is also they have just added special one-time offer. This is completely option. If you want to add, you can just click here to add. This is extra for $9.95, but this is completely option. optional. Okay, again, so this is the Lancy app, and here are the creators for Lancy app. Okay, so again, that's all. That was my review about the Lancy. So again, if you're interested, just click the link and get the instant access. This is the perfect for newbie. Okay, and it will gives you the again in the recap, Lancy app have break the ClickBank algorithm code. It will find the powerful product for you. It will create the powerful post and embed your affiliate link into the post, and plus then automate that the links or post into the multiple platform. If somebody will click that post and buy the product, then you will get the money. Okay, so this is the basically in recap what the Lancy app will do for you. Okay, again, yeah, that's it. If you have any question, you can leave your question below in the comment section. I'll get back to you. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and press the notification bell, so next time you will make aware. Okay, so that's it, and stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye.